And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a logo design of a number using only basic shapes in Adobe Illustrator. We'll start on the view. We want to have the smart guides and snap to point only activated. Everything else is deactivated. We'll use the ellipse tool. We'll have a fill color no stroke. We'll change the fill color later on anyway. When you drag the circle, hold Shift, then use the selection tool V, hold Alt, drag a copy out of it, the first one, and then press Ctrl D until you've got 7 of these elements. We want to have 2 groups, one of 3 and one of 4 circles, and we need a property panel for the group of 4, and we'll rotate that to around 70 degrees. Now I reposition that group, and maybe I'll reposition it with the arrow keys a little bit more downwards. And that's a good position. I'll keep that. Let me check the color. Maybe we use this one, it's fine. I'll make them all blue. And now I need the color guide. Just go to Window or click on the icon. So the first one, I want to have it as a dark shade, and then I go down. So the center position is already the blue that we've selected prior, and now I go downwards towards the tints. And at the bottom there's the lightest one. And this is how you can recreate a number logo with basic shapes in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.